Hi, I'm Steve Jackson, the Director of Maintenance Construction here at Carowinds. We know it's no fun to come out to Carowinds and your favorite ride is not available, but we don't like that either. There's 4 reasons why a ride might be closed, and all 4 of them are for your safety. The first reason a ride might be closed here at Carowinds is because of seasonal maintenance. Every now and again it takes us a little bit longer to get things done, but we always want to make sure that you're safe. You can always check the ride closure page on our website for more information. Another reason some of our rides might be closed is for low temperatures. Some of our large coasters don't run unless it's above 40, 42, or even 45 degrees. Another reason that we might not be running rides here at Carowinds is because of high winds. Our manufacturers give us guidelines that we have to stay within to operate properly. The last reason that we might be shutting rides down here at Carowinds is because of thunderstorms. We all know that thunderstorms are dangerous and your safety is paramount to us.